hi, we have Hemlata with us. Hemlata, a very warm welcome to the KR Mangalam University.
Thank you.
Kritika this side, and we have a few questions for you. We'll make it quick, but we want to know the insights of the industry from you. So, starting from the very first question, can you please tell us a little bit about yourself and how did you land up in the fashion design industry?
All right. So I'm Hemlata and I started doing the fashion designing from JD Institute of Fashion Technology. Then I did it from INID Pitampura, but due to some unforeseen circumstances, I wasn't able to complete it. But my passion for fashion was unwavering, and I have started teaching students online. And hence, I have reached to a platform where I have my own teaching application and people take live online classes even from abroad and India.
Oh, wow, that's amazing to know. So, since Hemlata, you've been in the industry for quite some time, how have you seen the fashion design industry evolve over the period of time?
I think the most dynamic thing is the technical thing which is changing, like softwares and tools which are now available, which were not there earlier in the fashion world. We have now introduced to some softwares where things have got really easy, and you really need to be a little creative and put it into those softwares, and it will really give you a good work.
Correct. I totally agree with that. So, Hemlata, you are here as an external juror today. What are some parameters that we can expect for you to judge the students upon?
I think the priority which I will see is the originality and creativity.
Okay.
So basically the design should be original, plus it should has creativity. And obviously, as I am a garment construction faculty, and I would be seeing the technical stitching and everything. The final finishing is extremely important when it comes to the final outfit.
Correct. So, Hemlata, we have our students going to the industry in very short span. What are some industry insights that you would like to give to our students?
So basically, I would like to tell you that the things which all of students are learning is extremely important.
Correct.
But that is just the 10% of what you're going to face in the industry, because practicality is everything. The subject is extremely practical, and everything which is being taught in the fashion designing is extremely important, but more of it you'll find it in the industry only.
Correct. I agree with that. So, what are your suggestions for the designers who are aspiring and who are planning to join fashion designing? What would be your suggestion to those aspiring and budding designers?
So my suggestion will be, just hold your own style and take it forward. Do not try to copy. You can be inspired, but have your own touch to the design, which is extremely important. That is the only thing which will take you forward.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Hemlata, for answering these questions. We hope you enjoy the tutor.
Thank you.